Hi there, Mark here again. Got Alf on the camera.
Hello.
Welcome to this little video. It's a bit unscripted and unplanned, but a couple of things have happened recently, so I just thought we'd put up a quick video. First thing is, it's snowed here in the Midlands in the UK now.
Aye, quite a lot.
And as you might know, I've recently finished building this Carisma SCA-1E Range Rover. I haven't given it a proper run yet, and I thought I might take it out in the snow. As you probably know, we're all in lockdown, so I can't really go to anywhere interesting, so we're just going to have to run it round the garden. And my friend Blitzen, you might also know, sent me this pistol grip radio, so it's a first for me. I've got it hooked up now to the Carisma. I'm going to have a go at one-handed driving, so that should be fun. And then I've got my GoPro on a stick, so everyone's telling me I should be able to do some tracking shots and driving at the same time, so I'll just go and try that in the garden, so stick around for that. So thanks for Blitzen for that one. And another thing I wanted to say was on the bodybuild video of this, I was saying that I'd put this interior in, just a blanking plate to cut the view through the windows. And a friend of mine, a good friend, Steve, RC Crawlers Mid Wales, said he got a spare interior, and lo and behold, this came yesterday. So thanks, Steve, really nice of you, mate. That was you know, you went out your way and posted that to me, so I'm really grateful for that. And it looks like it's going to be a perfect fit.
A detail like that adds a lot, doesn't it?
Well, I think, yeah, it's going to really do. I was moaning to you that it's going to be left-hand drive. I did talk about changing it over, and Alf said, nah, no one's going to notice that. But I'll see how we go. Do a bit of matte black, maybe paint these a kind of dark leather colour, and yeah, that should look a treat in there. So, big shout out to Steve. If you haven't visited his channel, RC Crawlers Mid Wales, I'll put a link to that in the description. Do go and have a look. He's got some fantastic videos, he's got some great rigs, and being in Mid Wales, the scenery in his videos is fantastic. So yeah, recommend you get over there, you won't be disappointed. What else, Alf?
Oh yeah, you've just hit 5,000 subs.
Oh yeah, today, that's another reason I wanted to put this video up. It's today we've hit 5,000 subs on the channel. Well, I've got to admit, when I started the channel, I never saw this day coming, did you, Alf?
No.
I really didn't expect it, so there's a massive shout out, thank you to everyone that's supporting me, that's watched my videos, that's subbed me, all the messages and comments. It's been great fun so far, and fingers crossed it continues, so thank you very much. Yeah, so let's get this thing out in the snow.
Right.
So here we go then, one-handed driving. Should be a laugh. you.